We know these storms move on to affect other areas, and for that, here's Craig Setzer. Craig?
Yeah, we can see the storm tonight is moving its way very, very slowly to the east. Anytime we have a tropical system that's a slow mover, it means that there's going to be a high flood potential with it. Now the storm kind of got wiped out by dry air over the upper atmosphere and middle atmosphere. It's just these low-level showers. Now, that's Galveston Bay, by the way, there. And there is Houston, and the storm is just kind of lollygagging its way along here, almost over Galveston Bay now. At a time was headed towards Houston last night and then turned to the southeast. Now it's just basically drifting to the east. But it's these heavier rain bands up here that are affecting parts of Louisiana. That's where really the flooding is and is going to continue all the way through Louisiana and even as far as the Florida Panhandle. But you can make out the swirl that is still just barely Tropical Storm Nicholas. Winds 40 miles an hour now, moving east-northeast at 6. About 45 miles to the west-southwest of Port Arthur, Texas. And the future track gets a little one, just kind of drifts to the east. There is a tropical depression and then basically winds down over Louisiana. Once again, being a big rainmaker for that part of the country. In terms of what's going on elsewhere, there is where Nicholas is, and there's that dry air. See it right there, pretty much peeling away the deeper thunderstorms. Probably a good thing that happened because it kept the flooding in Houston down. In terms of the other little system we're watching, you can see the upper level low that's located right here over Hispaniola, but there's an area of disturbed weather up to the north. That's drifting to the northeast of us and has some development potential as we go through the latter part of the week. And then finally, a pretty healthy tropical wave out in the eastern Atlantic. This came off of Africa a couple of days ago. It's in a big moisture pocket here. We'll talk more about that in the next half hour, but it is forecast to move to the west and slowly develop over time. Obviously, the folks in the islands will keep an eye on it. We'll keep an eye on it too, but right now we're not overly concerned, and I'll show you why coming up in the next half hour. Closer to home, pretty good day today. Lots of sunshine out there. Most of the thunderstorms as expected over on the west coast. A few showers offshore here. They're going to be coming through as we go through the evening and overnight hours, but not too big of a deal rain-wise tonight. Tomorrow, though, things get a little bit wetter. Temperatures today made it up into the upper 80s to right around 90. Current readings in the mid to upper 80s. Satellite loop showing that easterly flow. High-level winds are out of the north. That's the outflow from Nicholas. That's blowing over us, but basically that low-level flow is from the east. So that deeper moisture is to our west, but look, it comes back our way for tomorrow, so a better chance for some thunderstorms as well as on Thursday. Friday not looking too bad, and over the weekend, once again, we get an ocean breeze that comes in, so some passing showers coming through from time to time. For tonight, it's looking pretty good. Just a few showers, otherwise nice. A low in the upper 70s. For tomorrow, look for a good deal of sunshine. Some storms developing as we go through the day, and a high temperature near 91 degrees. On the water, wind southeast at 10. Sees 2 feet or less of light chop on the bays and taking us through the rest of the weekend. Temperatures on the warm side, low 90s. Sun and storms over the weekend, a little more ocean breeze. Back to you.
Craig, thank you.